In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Excel table on AutoCAD. From here on my screen, you can see or click on the annotate. And from the annotate, click on the drop-down button of the tables and click on the link data. And from the link data, you can just simply click create new Excel data and type here Excel, enter, and then we're just going to wait for it to load and click on this three dot, click here the untitled spreadsheet, click OK. And from there, after it loads, we're just going to click the OK. And then OK again. And then after that, click on the tables drop down button, click on the table. And here we can see the Excel that we link in. And we can just add the columns and the data rows and click OK. And click on it and drag it down and close editor. And there you have it. That's how to link Excel table to AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.